Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I have 2 chicken thighs that I need to do something with. So what we're going to do, we're just going to bake these chicken fries in our Ninja. I'm going to use some all-purpose chicken seasoning, a few breadcrumbs to make it crunchy, and I'm just going to put some onions around it so the onions will cook while the chicken is cooking. So what I need to do is just take the chicken, and I have washed it. We're just going to put it in this pan over here, this bowl. Just going to sprinkle it. We'll sprinkle it with all-purpose chicken. And put enough on there so you know you've got some on it now. It's not a certain amount, just sprinkle it till you've got it coated. We're just going to sprinkle us some breadcrumbs on it. I have my Ninja pan with some aluminum foil in it. And we'll spray it with a little bit of avocado spray. And we're just going to slice up some onions and lay around it. I've already got a half of an onion I have used part of. So we're just going to go ahead and use some of this instead of cutting up a new one. We'll spray this with just a little. I use avocado oil. You can use Pam or anything you want to use. Any kind of oil, spray oil you want to use. And I'm just going to set this in my Ninja, and we're just going to bake it for like 30 minutes. We need the chicken to be 165 degrees, and we'll just have chicken, and the onions will be sauteed, and I'll probably have a potato with it. I've got it in my Ninja with the onions and the chicken. I've got it set on bake, 30 minutes at 400. Take it for a few seconds to heat up and it'll be ready to cook. I'll come back and show you the finished product. When I get this done, I'm going to probably take some sweet and sour. I like sweet and sour sauce, and we're going to put that on it. Okay, my chicken just beat, and let's just see what we've got. Well, it is definitely done, which is good. So we're going to put a piece on our plate. I have a sweet potato that I had done. We're going to get some of these onions. I have all-purpose chicken by Lawry seasoning, avocado oil spray, breadcrumbs, and Kikkomon sweet and sour sauce. 1 small onion and 2 chicken breasts. Cooking for 30 minutes in my Ninja. Okay, here is my dinner. I have my chicken with my sauce, sweet and sour sauce, my onions, and a baked sweet potato. Now my chicken, I used all-purpose chicken seasoning by Lawry's, and rolled it in breadcrumbs, sprayed it with avocado, and sprayed my onions with the avocado oil. Thank you for watching.